guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats. We'll do some of the maddest reviews around here.
Oh yeah.
Straight. Yeah man. Now you see today in the program now, we are reviewing this song. It's called Miss Honda by none other than Nordia Mothersille. Yeah man, Nordia Mothersille. Yeah man, and it is produced by Not Nice, one of Jamaica's best producers in the biz. Straight. Yeah. Now, remember, if you're new to the program, consider subscribing. And if you want the latest videos as it relates to music and everything, click the notification bell. And that may I say. Yes. But without further ado, you wanna make quick venture in it. Wow, wow.
Ain't no secret where you've been. And I don't need no excuse, don't even need a reason. You just made your last move, so checkmate, honey, you're out of luck.
Bars. Yeah. Hey, let me tell you something now. Advice good. Good. Straight out of the block. Alright. That song here, Miss Honda. Now by listening to the title of the song, you really won't know, where to say, because Miss Honda. Honda one vehicle and Miss. Anyway, by listening to the first verse, we realize there's some cheating this girl I talk about. But when we put some context to it, this song here reminds me so much of when Jada Kingdom did that song called Good Pum Pum Problem. Yes. A vintage type of song with this dude, like with that song when the night has come and the land is dark, that type of song there, so it a little cheating, so she catch it. So make we hear what go on further, cause me love it mix up, Nadia, I put some mix up in this thing. Alright, go ahead.
Look, you better tell your mama to come get you, cause you ain't got no place to stay. You better call Miss Honda to come get you, cause you cannot stay. And we don't need
Hold on. Calm down. So here what she has said now, she catch him man. And if you go call him mother if you get it. Now what kind of man that she live with? She live with the man. And I tell him if you call him mother come I put him out, But a boy, I must boy, because if you are a woman in a problem and she tell you come out of your house. You tell her call him mother if you come out of your house if you come out of your house. Well, she tell him to call him mother. A boy business that. Now, by virtue of she telling him come out of your house, she done it better. So she know I hear not more. It sounds so. But maybe we're going to go further because we need to understand it a little more. Understand? Alright.
to argue, you just need to go, cause I won't deal with your bullshit no more. You better call your mama to come get you, cause you ain't got no place to stay. And you can keep your sorry to yourself, cause you're
So, yes, I definitely mother she tell if it come boy. Because boy no use. So him a cheat. And when you look at be a woman, you see around her, And when you see woman round a woman, where the man was suspected of cheating, when you see the woman around them, I know nothing good them a tell you woman, Run where like a dirty drunk crow. Not John Crow, drunk crow. Run where drunk crow. The boy no good. A worthless boy that and everything were bad. They might tell him. They might tell a woman. Because of my time they want him man to, So I get rid of him. Fast. Yes, and them I go spend time in the house now. The little house, it look like a two of them Billy house. So she know why you nothing about him. Come out of the house and make me turn in the house now. So the boy have to go take away himself. Him have to go pack in bag and live to the left. Right? Just like a Beyonce.
only sorry that I caught you. Go cry to somebody else, cause them tears only making me mad as hell. You see, since this ain't no hearsay, and I saw you with my own two eyes, there can't be no mistakes. Don't
Hold on. So what she has say now? Cause she come like she dey on a justified level now. And a year say she see him with the two eyes them. She catch him. Brother, you don't know Phil? You don't know Shaggy. You don't know Shaggy. I never me. Yeah, it wasn't me, brother. It looked like a Rick Rock verse you are listening to. A Rick Rock verse. Listen to Shaggy's chorus. It was not me. I know me see. A AI. AI image I know me see. Brother, go down song, yeah. Go down song.
To question my very own eyes. So tell your mama to come get you. Cause you ain't got no place to stay. Yeah. You better call Miss Hunter to come get you. Cause you cannot stay. Yeah. We don't need to argue. You just need to go. Cause I'll deal with you.
Hold on. Me now gonna take nothing from a song by marking it out. This song good. This song sound nice. Miss Mothersille, she have a very, very refreshing and new voice to the game. We have to put that out there. You see me? The context of the song out there. Lovely. Because she don't really sing about no under your song, over the song, down in your song. On fire! So we have to appreciate the song for what it is. And what she sing about is everyday things. You understand me? Everyday thing where people are cheat. And sometimes the woman them frustrated. Sometimes the man them frustrated with the woman them. And they must say, yo, come out, me tired of it. So you will take away yourself. And what we can appreciate and love about this is reality. And a lot of the times, you have artists that sing about crap and say it's a reality, which are true. Because reality comes in many forms. Your reality and my reality are two different realities. But what I love about it is that sometimes you can put out a clean reality. Because so many people are looking up to the artists them to create some reality for themselves so that them can hold on and see that there's a better way rather than putting out some things where a reality for you as me say but it's a dark reality and then people will look up to you and look upon you and say boy I had a reality them and them find themselves in a dark reality too. So that's a reality. I love it. Go ahead, sit down.
You better call your mama to come get you. Cause you ain't got no place to stay.
Alright, so song done. So I guess you know why you think about this song. Number one, me not have nothing bad to say about a big song and a big artist. Not nice, good artist you push out. See? And my humble advice to this artist, Mothersille, is watch her continue upon the same path. Because you know if you go down a path where everybody have to cringe their ears and I say, Lord, you have to go bleep out that part. It sound good, but that part not sound good. Because it's too graphic, it's too violent, it's too sexually explicit. It just clean right through. And it can play anywhere, even at church. Maybe I go too far still, but yeah, but anyway, you understand what I say? I love this song. Big up, not nice. Big up Mothersille. I love this song and I want to know where Uno think about it. Let me know if a big song, a little song, a medium song, or the song will make it. Let me hear from you. Put in the comments in the comment section and make you know what I want. Miss Honda, you know what? Have that.